video, we will explore one method for solving real-world problems involving integer subtraction. In middle school, students must understand the concept of subtracting integers rather than relying on memorizing a rule. One model students can use for integer subtraction is the number line. Let's take a look at an example. A hot air balloon is flying 5 feet in the air. Alvin removes 4 bags of sand from the balloon. At what altitude is the balloon flying now? First, we need to discuss what makes a balloon go up and what makes it go down. Air makes the balloon go up and sand makes it go down. So for this example, we're going to write air as positive numbers and bags of sand will be represented by negative numbers. So what do you think happens to the balloon if we take away sand instead of adding sand? Right, it goes up. Just like if you take away air instead of adding air, then the balloon goes down. So in this example, we are going to use a vertical number line to help us follow the trajectory of the hot air balloon. And students see those vertical number lines when we're thinking about temperature and above and below sea level. So that goes right along with our example here. So the balloon is starting at 5 feet. So this is where our balloon is starting, right here. And Alvin takes off 4 sandbags. But when he removes the sandbags, we know that that means things are going to move up for the balloon. So it's going to move up 4. So the balloon is now flying at an altitude of 9 feet. Well, let's connect that to the equation. 5 feet. And we're removing 4 bags of sand, and we talked about the fact that the 4 bags of sand are going to be represented by -4, so we're removing 4 bags of sand, and in doing so, that is the same thing as adding 4. So our balloon ends up at an altitude of 9 feet. Remember, we want students to make the connection that subtracting a negative means the same as adding the opposite.